So the biggest risk that I took as in my business, I'm an employee. I have another job that is creating online courses. So the biggest risk that I took about 10 years ago was creating courses in Italian without knowing if there was a market for that, if there was a demand for that. So my wife discouraged me. She told me, "Are you crazy? Because this platform, I don't know if you know it, that is called Udemy. There were courses of every kind, but in English, in Spanish, in French, but there was almost nothing in Italian. So there was only a Python course in Italian, but I saw a business opportunity because I told myself, what if there is demand, but nobody's creating course? So if I create courses, I'm going to be the first one. So I'm going to have a dominant position in the business. On the other hand, I could have created the courses in English, or because it's a broad market, or in Spanish, that is my mother tongue, okay, or in French. But I said, no, I'm going to do it in Italian because, first of all, I have more experience in technical language in Italian than even my own language, okay, because I'm used to using English and Italian for computer system, programming, web development, apps, okay, more than in my own language. So I saw that the opportunity because I was going to have less competition. And so the risks were that I would invest money for nothing because I had to buy a nice mic, a nice webcam, dedicate time to that because I had to record and buy courses on how to create online courses. So I had to invest a lot of money on that. So the first risk was throwing away a lot of money. So of course I can recycle the mic, the webcam, but the time that you invest in something, it's pretty hard to get it back. So did this risk make it worth it? So it was worth it because as soon as I published my course the first month, it sold. So it was, I remember it was 143 euros. You say almost nothing, okay? Because in Europe, that's nothing, okay? That's like a day's work, okay? But I was so happy because I saw that somebody was interested in my course and somebody was buying my course. So I said, I'm going to create the second course, okay? And then step by step, I created the second course and it sold also a lot. The company Udemy from California contacted me and told me, "Oh, Guy, we saw that you're the only one creating courses in the Italian market. So we would like to, if you're interested, to bring the best-selling course that we have in English into Italian. Okay, but you have to do it quickly." It was June and it's got to be released in September. So this course, it was 30 hours, guys, 30 hours of recording that I had to translate into Italian. So I didn't have enough time. And what I did was putting on my headphones, listening to the audio in English, and then recording my voice in Italian, real time. No scripts because I didn't have time. It was a big success. And that course, even after almost 12 years, it keeps selling. Of course, I keep it up today so that it sells more. And guys, in reality, I could have gone solo in business, okay? I could have dedicated the rest of my time just doing that. But of course, my wife didn't want to because she wanted to have a steady income. That was my steady job because we needed to pay the mortgage, we needed to pay daycare for our kids, and then she thought that business was too risky because maybe next month nobody buys your course and we have bills to pay. And then it's a side job. I do it as a second job, but it could be my main job, okay? So that's my story. That's okay. The risk that I took, and it was really, really worth it.